How to connect Stripe to Base44. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Stripe to Base44. So to get started, go ahead and open Stripe into your browser and then sign in to your Stripe account. And then after that, go ahead and provide your business details, contact info, banking information to activate your account on Stripe. So if you're not ready for live payments, you can use Stripe Sandbox mode for testing. So in the Stripe dashboard, navigate to the developers section. So click on this developers button. And then under this, go ahead and click on API keys. And that will take you in here. So in here, go ahead and copy your publishable and secret key. Publishable key and secret key into the fields provided in here. Now, after that, go ahead and log into your Base44 into the section. And then on your Base44, go ahead and open your project. So head over to the Apps tab and then open a project from here. And then on this project, go ahead and head over into the Dashboard tab. And then from here, go ahead and head over into the integrations. So I can't find an integration in here. Since this application doesn't have a checkout button or pricing plans, I won't be able to connect payment methods in here. But if you do have that for your app, you can go ahead and integrate applications such as Stripe for that. So if you do have that, go ahead and paste your publishable key and secret key into the fields provided under the integrations, and then save the integration, and then configure the payment flow. So decide what you want to accept payments for: products, bookings, subscriptions. So use Base44's backend functions to trigger Stripe payment flows. Now test transactions using Stripe's sandbox cards and switch from test mode to live mode in Stripe. So verify that your Base44 app is now connected to the live keys. Run a real transaction to confirm everything works. And that is how you can basically connect Stripe to Base44.